Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are working on 2015 Chrysler 200, and today I'm gonna show you how to clean your MAF sensor, or say mass airflow sensor. It's basically located near your air filter. So in this car, that is your mass airflow sensor. It basically control how much air and moisture going into the engine. So we have to clean it like after every year or something like that, because if it goes bad, your car gonna ideal rough, right? So we have to clean it every year. And to clean this, we can use a CRC sensor clean. It says mass airflow sensor cleaner. Yeah. So to open this up, you have to unplug this one. You can pinch that pin backward, and yeah, and then push it back, and there are two screws, so we can open this with it. Once you are done with unscrew the screw, then you can pull it out, and you can see the the blue part. That's the sensor. So we gonna spray. You can see from here. Just give me a second. Yeah, so you can see a little bit dirt on the bluish part. So we're gonna spray over there. So you can spray directly on the blue part, and you have to do couple of times, and that fluid get dry automatically in 2 minutes. So once you are done spraying, you can let it dry. So once you are done with the spraying, you can left it for 2 minutes. It will get dry automatically. Well, let me, yeah, you have to, it's not focusing, just give me a second. Yeah, so as you can see, it's getting clean now. So you have to do couple of times and then let it dry for 2 minutes. And guys, make sure it get fully dry. If there is a moisture in it, right, your car will not start. So once it get dry, you can put it back and tighten the screw and plug it. That's how you can clean your mass airflow sensor. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.